Hi everyone, welcome to Save and Serve with Steph. So today I'm going to be making a recipe. It's called Egg Roll Bowl. Brand new recipe, we've never tried it before, so hopefully it turns out. This is our supper for tonight. Yeah, basically from there I will have the recipe and directions. I'll post it at the end of this video. For anyone who wants to skip ahead, I suppose. And then I will also be doing at the end a sort of cost comparison of like all the ingredients to show you guys the dollar value for what it took to make this meal, put it all together. So yeah, from there, let's get started. Supper is ready. So that's it, guys. Supper's ready. It looks good, smells good to me at least. And yeah, we'll leave it from there. Shortly after this point, I will be putting the recipe up on the screen here and also breaking down the cost analysis of everything all put together. So hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this. Please let me know if you try this recipe and let me know what you think of it. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.